How to change the language on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change the language on Amazon. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change the language on Amazon or the Amazon application, all you have to do is simply open up the Amazon app. Once you open it up, you'll be at the home page. Right at the bottom, you'll be able to see 5 different icons. You want to simply tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so here, you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option settings. You can see settings and customer service option. You want to simply tap on settings and you can see the very first option under settings that says country and language. You want to simply tap on country and language, and then you can see country or region, and you can see language. You want to simply tap on language and then choose any language that you wish to. Simply tap on that particular language and the language will be changed. So this way you can change language on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.